AADC 0x8023134a. Attribute value must be unique. AADC 0x8023134a. Attribute value must be unique. I ran into an error during an SMTP matching exercise while merging Active Directory accounts with existing Azure AD accounts for an Office 365 project I was working on. The account would just not synchronize. Unable to update this object because the following attributes associated with this object have values that may already be associated with another object in your local directory services, proxy addresses SMTP, user.name at domain.com. Correct or remove the duplicate values in your local directory. Please refer to http://support.microsoft.com/kb/2647098 for more information on identifying objects with duplicate attribute values. Tracking ID, F6334212FC15-4EEA9407XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX 0x8023134a-5 DFB4FDF4XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX AADC 4-4D78 4XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX keys, value, SMTP, user.name at domain.com. I confirmed that the user's UPN was the same as the sign-in name within Office 365. #connect to MSOL. Connect-MsolService Credential $UserCredential. #change 0365 sign-in name. Set-MsolUserPrincipalName UserPrincipalName old.username at domain.com NewUserPrincipalName new.username at domain.com. After checking that, I checked the user didn't already have an immutable ID. #GetImmutableId. Get-MsolUser UserPrincipalName user.name at domain.com, select ImmutableId. Checked they did not have an account in deleted users that could be causing the conflict and SMTP match to fail. #check for deleted users. Get-MsolUser ReturnDeletedUsers. The user's mail attribute matched their primary SMTP address in EOL, using the mail attribute as Exchange is not deployed within the environment. This is correct, but Azure AD Connect was still complaining. I then found the user had the global admin role assigned. The global admin role is listed as Company Administrator. Check GUID of Company Administrator 62E90394699F54237-9190-0121777145E10. Get-MSOL role member role object id 62E90394699F54237-9190-0121777145E10. After removing this role, the account synchronized correctly and we were good to go. I added the role back following the synchronization.